Kuriani yacha kubwato ka marioga yara konyara goitaga tebinto biriko irarigesaria barimi gotanyara gokina anemono sabarimi no tebate yaguna marioga yuniga konyara gokonya abarimi konyara koendra nerigesaria abo na konyara kwagera rigesaria abo 524 gekorenganigwa na mariogo abo tambe korengane kambere gate biruna wetera sa marioga yo barimi banyari gokina rigesaria abo uno murikito Mildred Mumanyi agotomanya
Bono nigo abarimi imensi ya Kenya anene mono kurwa orogongo rwa Gusii barine kibakwegokeria maiga yokolenterwa eliogo elirigo konya goita amakonde eke monyo gati ebinde ebinge nse chinsa emerongo ebirinanye kolengano muteneli kurwa ase company yo ya mariogo Ian Sean nigo atebire eliogo elio nigo lireligia na indentiribu ati chemical kende gyonsi ikyokera chiego saliri roba ekiagera nigo likoro isigwa gwetera emete.
We've just launched today in Kisii. We're working closely with our partners, the distributors. Distributors will be supplying all agri-vets so that we ensure that this really wonderful product gets into all agri-vets and is available to all farmers. This pesticide is zero residue, 1-day PHI. It's got a very high efficacy on a very broad spectrum of pests. It's got zero residue. It's got no mammalian toxicity, so it's safe for humans, it's safe for pets, it's safe for the environment, and the real kicker is that this product is being sold to farmers at the same price as the cheapest chemical insecticides.
Nigo bateba ubuyabwe eliogelio gochase abalemi naseba igo basemya abalemi chinchira cyo gutumeka eliogelio.
And the product has more benefits. It's a broad spectrum insecticide. It kills all the common pests that our farmers are encountering in the farms. It has zero resistance. And we have so massive benefits on this product that we hope the farmers will adopt and use in their farms to ensure that the food that we consume is healthy, safe and very nutritious, to ensure that our future generations are protected in terms of whatever we consume as a food that gives us nourishment in our diet.
Gati abalemi abo batumire eliogelio nigo bateba ubyabuaye ase ebimeli byabo ansebaganya abalemi bande gwesonanya asobotumekibwe eliogelio ase ebimeli byabo
abagusiba minto buna abatubugate meberenga niga tori diusi tori chingeni togosimekera mugondo ndani to amarioga abantu ababakoni babwate byasara bye chingeni so that chingeni echi chibe chingiya twali goje mebere yaito buya nji to affect ase mebere kona ari gosaba buya mono umusongo gira otokonyire otorente ryogo
eria beire ligiya na litumekire naende ngokolibiya lirase skuma yane ngosirire ria sirire bintu bina chia feeds naende ndochi amatokeo na mayale ngo advice bali bonse piba bategete ko litumeka lire ready available affordable naende lire pocket friendly na boko linyora sirigo lirenze ende kora litumeka singa kientambe na bora amatokeo
kule katika hiyo kilimo ya mchele kuna green hoppers zilikuwa zinasambaza huu ugonjwa wa yellow motor virus. Hao green hoppers wote walikufa, na hiyo kuna nikusemekana hiyo ugonjwa ni kama imeisha tukitumia hiyo, nikitumia hiyo dawa. Ugonjwa kama ya kanza ni kama tumeachana nayo, na ningehimiza kuambia wakulima wacha tugeukia agripest kwa sababu hii itatusaidia kwa mambo mingi sana.
Kuripotelia igetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Mumanyi.